Hello, my name is Tesfaye. I am from the Tutorial Academy. This is a series of videos, lessons for English Oromo for communication purposes. I have another video series which you may have seen teaching Oromo in English, very deep lesson in another course. But many people asked for Oromo language for communication purposes. So based on that request, I prepared this course, which is composed of very short Oromo language phrases for communication purposes, so that you can learn easily and also practice how to communicate in Oromo. So the description is, as you can hear, is in English, and the translation will be English Oromo. For those who don't know Oromo, Oromo is the language of the Oromo people, usually called Afan Oromo or Oromo language. The Oromo people live in Ethiopia and estimated to be around 45 million. The Oromo also lives in Kenya and in parts of northern Somalia bordering Ethiopia as well. Now we'll come to this series of English Oromo tutorials and Oromo for communication purposes. In this video, these are the contents we are going to cover. One is greetings. We're going to learn how to greet people in Afan Oromo. That's called Naga Gafachu. Naga means greetings or peace. Gafachu means asking. This may be about 4 to 5 videos, because these videos are very short and precise, so that learning can be effective as much as possible. The other content we deal communications and words, names, and the phrases around family members. That's called Mati. Mati means family. The next one is introducing one another, introducing oneself to another. That's Walbaru. So in here we introduce ourselves and listen other people also introduce to us. So we learn how to introduce to people. It's part of the greeting, but I dealt this separately for a purpose. We also goes into how we express our likes and dislikes in Afan Oromo or in Oromo language. Jallachu fi jibbu, that's a literal translation of likes and dislikes. And the other one, we're gonna also learn how to ask directions, how to give directions in Afan Oromo, and also how to ask locations or tell locations in Afan Oromo as well. The other one we deal is all of this. They pop up at the same time, no problem. So we also deal with friends. How do we ask friends? How we deal with friends in communicating Afan Oromo. We also deal with WH questions in English. How we ask those WH questions in Afan Oromo. They actually form part of the larger portion of communications in any communications actually. So we this video stays more on these WH questions, and these W questions, for those who may not know, are why, where, when, which, and so on. So as you know, they form a very large proportion of everyday communication. We also have a look at some of body parts that we should know in communicating with people. And we also go on to asking, telling, times, and calendars. We here in the calendars we learn about weeks, months, and how we say them in Oromo. And the last bit will be buying and selling in Afan Oromo, how we buy, how we ask something to buy, how we negotiate. We will deal some of these areas in Afan Oromo. And these are what I'm going to cover in these videos. As I told you, these videos are very short. Each videos are short, sorry, and the videos be very, very long. So your determination to learn Afan Oromo will help you persist through learning this video. I'm not sure how much, probably going to be 25 to 30 lessons that you go through. But I'm sure by the end of this video series, you will learn very important Oromo words that you pop up to Oromo guy or lady and say, and I made them that you can talk Oromo. And then from there, it is your determination as well again, and your practice and exercise that leads you communicating with Afan Oromo. I hope this will help you through. For this one, we continue on the content that I have and that will be loaded continuously into this channel. So if you want to subscribe, please do and follow up. If you don't want to subscribe, just come on time and follow up on the videos. But I advise you to subscribe so that as soon as I upload the videos, you can get a notification as well. Thank you very much for listening. Cheers.